Hey everyone, so this is a meditation for positive energy. It is great for beginners and experienced meditators alike. Meditators. I'm not actually sure if that's a word. Anyway, so it's very short, so don't worry if you don't have time in the morning or time in the evening. You can fit this into your schedule. So without further ado, find yourself a comfortable spot where you can sit down, find a chair, because we are going to have our feet on the ground. And when you're ready, let's begin. So, sit with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Lengthen your spine and let your arms rest naturally. Gently let your eyes close. And we're going to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now allow your breath to return to its natural state. Now tap your toes as quickly or as slowly as you want. And as they move, remember that they are allowing positive energy, such energetic positivity to enter your body. This movement invites positivity into your body, your mind, your soul. Positive energy is flowing up through your feet and into your legs. It moves into your belly and up to your shoulders, melting down your arms, and finally floating up through the neck and into your head. Slowly, let your toes calm and eventually come to a stop. Now let's take 3 more breaths. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Again, breathe in and out. One more time. Big inhale. And sigh it out. Stretch your arms, your legs, your torso. And when you're ready, let your eyes gently open. It's time to continue on with your day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I want to do something short. I did that anxiety one earlier. I wanted to do another short meditation just to, release tension, bring out some positive vibes. There's just so much going on, and I guess everyone needs way more positivity. Even the most positive person always has room for more positivity. So if you guys liked this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. If this helped you feel more positive, made you feel more relaxed, let out some tension, if this has helped you in any way, make sure to share this with someone you love, because the best way to show your love is to show them a way to better their life. So again, thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next video.